I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. So, you thought my channel was about finding love, about secret money making hacks, or maybe about drama with foreigners? Well, you are wrong. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain and telling you exactly what this channel is and what is not. Stay tuned, because after watching this, you will never look at Nell's solo parent the same way again. Many people have different expectations when they click on my videos. This channel is not a dating service, not a gossip tabloid, not a place for negativity, distractors, or trolls. It's my personal space for entertainment, communication, and outreach. I try to inform, entertain, communicate, and provide foreigners a platform of knowledge about Filipina, dating, facts, and someone's travel. Life as a solo parent is too sleepless nights, bills, responsibilities, but laughter and stories keep us alive. Explain how content is made lighthearted, funny commentary, relatable moments, real Filipino humor. You'll laugh, cry, and sometimes scream because what I share is raw and unfiltered. Examples, skits, storytelling, commentary on daily struggles. Entertainment is not about faking happiness. It's about showing the courage to smile even when times are hard. This channel is megaphone for solo parents, single moms, OFWs, and even foreigners who want to understand our stories. Highlight comment section, live chats, collaborations. Sometimes the comment section is hotter than the video itself. Arguments, debates, and love confessions, yes, they all happen here. I don't tolerate disrespect, but I welcome real voices. Outreach doesn't always mean charity, it means reaching out. My videos spread awareness of struggles solo parents face. I talk about connecting with other moms, dads, and viewers worldwide. You will not believe how one simple video reached a viewer in Canada who sent a message saying, "Your story saved my life." True story. Explain future plans, meetups, small community projects, live streams supporting local causes. My channel is not a matchmaker site, not a place to beg or scam, not about fake stories for pity. If you came here looking for drama or easy romance, you are on the wrong channel. But if you came here for real talk, good vibes, and outreach, welcome home. This channel, Nell Solo Parent, is for entertainment, communication, and outreach only. Let's grow, laugh, and support each other, because together we are stronger. If you think you already know what's coming next on this channel, think again. The surprise are just getting started. I don't even know myself what my next episode will be about because it's spontaneous scripting based on my daily and life experiences. My channel is not for pity, empathy, or apathy. It's not what I am all about. That channel is my way of expressing my good, bad, and ugly, and the same of others and life in the Philippines. Subscribe to my channel and hopefully you learn that all Filipina young, single or with kids are not all transactional. Any donations to help develop better content and production are greatly appreciated. We are family. See you next episode.